Hey, gorgeous girl. Stay tuned for my 5 faves for November. I've got some beauty, fashion, and even something for Thanksgiving. Plus, I've got a bonus fave this month. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are? Can you believe it's almost Thanksgiving? I mean, I feel like I just finished Halloween. October so got away from me, so here I am with my November faves. I thought I would do them a little early this month, so I've got something you can use for Thanksgiving. So my first item is really two things. They are from the Chrissy Teigen Cravings line at Target, which is one of my favorite lines at Target. I've got so many things from Chrissy Teigen's line, and I will be sharing those with you in some other faves. This month, I've got 2 5-quart Dutch ovens. One is cast iron and the other is enameled. Let's start with the cast iron one first. Oh, really heavy. It's over 12 pounds. Look how cute this is. It's got the handles on both sides, and the handle on the top is gold. So super pretty with the Cravings logo on the bottom. And the bottom of the top is dimpled to help with the condensation. And they come pre-seasoned, but they also come with directions on how to season them if you want to do a little more. And I did do that. And you know, honestly, cast iron always strikes fear in my heart, but you know, this has been so easy to use. I've had no problems with sticking or cleaning. Wait till you see this next Dutch oven. It is to die for. I mean, look at this. This is called Green Ombre. It's more of a teal. I know teal is a kind of green, but it's got that blue tone to it as well, with the gorgeous gold handle, the 2 handles on the sides, and the Cravings on the lid. This one is also really heavy. It is over 12 pounds. So these are really super nice quality. Plus they're just so pretty. I know we can't have a lot of people over for Thanksgiving this year, which makes me so sad, but at least our table is going to look really pretty for the people we are able to have. Oh, and best of all, they're both 20% off at Target right now. The black cast iron is on sale for $31.99, regular is $39.99, and the green ombre is $39.99, regular $49.99. I'll have links for everything down below. Number 2 is something I use on my hair. You know, my hair is so brittle and coarse that when I use a regular curling iron, it tends to burn my hair even when I turn the temperature down. But I was able to find this roller set, and this is electric rollers. This is the Chai Smart Magnify electric roller set. Super pretty case. It's black satin with a handle. And so when we are able to travel again, it'll fit in your luggage really easy, so you can take it along with you. And then it's got this nice little pocket that you can put your clips in. And I bought this set along with 3 additional rollers because I've got so much hair. The set comes with large, medium, and smaller rollers. The rollers have a really nice velvet texture, which is super nice. They don't grab or pull or break your hair. The rollers were $99 when I bought them, but with Black Friday coming up, I'm sure you can get a much better deal on them. Oh, and let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do a full review. So going along with the hair care, my other fave is the St. Tropica hair vitamins. I'm sure you've seen a lot of girls on YouTube doing reviews of these vitamins, and I was pretty skeptical because I've taken a lot of hair vitamins and they really haven't helped. But they've got the 60-day hair challenge, and if you take them for 60 days and take before and after pictures and submit them, you'll get 30 days free. Oh, and even better, they are 100% drug-free, allergen-free, certified vegan, and cruelty-free, plus made in the USA. Oh, and plus I've got a 10% discount link down below for you. Number 4 is the Coola 360-degree full spectrum organic Sunsilk drops. You know, I know we're getting into fall and winter now, and we tend to not think so much about SPF, but it's now especially even more important. So I make sure I put these drops on every day, whether I put makeup on or not. You can see this really cute little bottle, and I've used about half of it. And it's just like a dropper. And you just put it on your hands. If you're not wearing makeup, I just put it on before I go outside every morning. If I'm wearing makeup, I actually mix it in with my makeup, and it just blends in really nice. It's super light, it's not oily, and it feels just so good on your face. Plus, it smells awesome. It's SPF 30. This is also vegan and cruelty-free, plus farm to face, and 70% organic. Well, I have to include something Lululemon, and here is my November fave. This is the Vinyasa scarf. I have got so many of these, but when I saw this one, this is called the Incognito Camo HTR Black, and you can see it's a real soft muted camo color. It is reversible. It's a nice soft heathered gray on the other side. And what makes these scarves so unique is the snaps. And it snaps all the way down. And with these snaps, and plus the scarf being so nice and roomy, you can wear these scarves so many different ways, almost like a shawl, different ways to wear as a scarf, as a hood, just super cute. And I'll be showing you a couple of those ways. Here is the logo, and this is the Lulu fabric, so it's super soft and light, but still warm and just feels so good against your skin. The regular price for this scarf is $48, but I actually found it in the We Made Too Much section, so I got it for $29. Here is my bonus for November. It's a book, rather an ebook in my case, but this is a book called Happiness for Beginners. Katherine Center is the author, and this is a really fast, easy, fun book to read, kind of like a beach read for fall. Let me know down in the comments if you've already read this book and if you liked it, or any suggestions you have for future books. I hope you found something you loved in my November faves. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget, I have all the links down below, including the 10% off link for the St. Tropica hair vitamins. If you did find something you loved and you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. If I don't see you next week, or even if I do, I hope you have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Much love. Bye-bye. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way